Let us talk about the story of a man from Papua New Guinea. This is the story of Andrew, entitled Taking the Gospel to the Jungle. Deep in the jungles of Papua New Guinea, there was a man named Andrew who heard the call of God that changed his life. He was born into a Christian family, but his faith grew stronger when Pastor Tom Karawa arrived in their village and taught about the return of Jesus and the truth of the Sabbath. Because of this, Andrew became active in the Adventist community and spent 2 years studying the Bible with great passion. The district director saw his potential and sent him to a layperson training where he became a volunteer pastor in remote areas. To reach some villages, he would walk for 3 days, cross rivers, and sleep in the forest just to share the good news of Jesus. Sometimes, people rejected him and doubted his message, but he continued praying and teaching. Life in the mission field was difficult. There were times when he and his wife had no food or money for an entire week. While they were singing and worshiping in their missionary house, a man suddenly arrived and told them to look outside. There, they found money, a miraculous provision from God. In 2012, Andrew was able to study at the Amaura Adventist School of Ministry through the help of an Adventist pilot from Australia. After 1 year of training, he was assigned to a church with more than 200 members. In just 1 year, 120 people were baptized and a new church building was constructed. During the PNG for Christ campaign, which involved the leadership of the General Conference, Andrew helped baptize 824 new members in a remote jungle village. Today, he continues preparing for more mission work. As he says, "I have prepared my heart to go wherever God sends me. There is always a blessing in doing the work of the Lord." The 13th Sabbath offering will help the Amaura Adventist School of Ministry train more missionaries to bring the good news to Papua New Guinea. Thank you for your faithful giving.